my name is Zoraida, and I'm an art tutor, and I'm gonna show you my tattoo drawing lotus flower tutorial. How I draw my pink lotus flower tutorial. And this is for my digital art class. I don't have an iPad or computer. The computer shut down, no electricity, nothing. So I'm just gonna use a canvas. Okay, so here's the painting I made so far. So my trick is just use a brush. So just use pink. So the pink is my pink color is the lotus is the theme. So this is a lotus flower, so it's similar to that. So I'm just copying that as my guide. My guide photo. So I don't have no paintbrush either, so I have to get paintbrush. That. So when you start painting, you need paintbrush. Materials I need to have is paintbrush and water, and so I need to put a background on my right here. So what color should I put? So for my background is gonna be so the theme is I need to pick a color for the background. So I'm gonna pick gray pink, because it's walking on the concrete, to make it as realistic as possible. Okay, so I'm trying to make a realistic image drawing for my assignment. He said make it realistic, lifelike realism drawing. So this is then I have to give this to him on Tuesday. Tuesday is supposed to turn in my homework. I have to look online on my canvas assignment, and then I have to take a photo of this and then just give it to him. Just give this to him in person and tell him, oh, this is my artwork, you can have it. And show every other student what I did drew in class. If you don't like it, too bad. He's just gonna throw it away. Well, this was a $10 canvas, and this guy told me to make in class. So this is now my tutorial art class. Paint for $50. All these materials $50. The marker is 10. The paint is like 10. This is like 10. So that's 30. And then 3 more hours later, labor is $20 to create this image. This is manual labor. This is manual labor painting. See, I have to hand paint it. And it's not perfect, so I'm gonna need to perfect it again. I'm getting a napkin. I'll just get a napkin so it don't look like a messy. So because the brush makes it look messy. This is just beginner art. So welcome to my art tutorial class. A lot of art students, like kids, they like also painting. So I'm trying to get a job at the tutorial art tutoring activity class. So I have to learn how to talk, speak, and teach how to create an activity. So this is the activity I chose for my tutoring class. If I get hired as a tutor, I would tutor kids, teach them how to do tattoo drawing, beginner tattoo drawing. So this is a beginner tattoo drawing class blog. So what tattoo would you like? I don't like tattoos. I would just get a sticker. So yeah, I don't like tattoos, so I would just get a sticker if I were you. So I don't like permanent tattoo. I don't like permanent ink. I'll get a sticker tattoo, but I don't want like permanent ink because it won't come off. Permanent tattoo is permanent, so this was permanent acrylic on canvas, and you can make your own when you can afford $50. When you have $50. So I just had my gum surgery, and gum surgery. So my gum was bleeding. So this is my 3rd day. I'm still sore, so I need to like keep it clean. I'm not eat or drink anything, and I ate something, so I'm not supposed to eat anything. Just supposed to drink water, but I ate some food. And this is why I should not be eating, because it's a gum surgery. And I have to keep it food debris free. I have to keep the gum clean, and I have to like, what should I eat? Can't eat hot food or cold food, because it's cold sensitive and hot sensitive, and they can't choose, so I have to measure it. So that would be, so I need a brown ink. So I don't have brown ink, so how can I make brown? I don't know. So I'm not gonna be able to make brown ink. I'm gonna be able to create brown background. So no brown. So this is just my if I were to do tattoo artist presentation. This would be the tattoo. I chose the lotus flowers because I see lotus flowers everywhere. So lotus there, lotus sculpture there, so I chose the lotus tattoo because I see it everywhere. So this is red light, green light, drawing, painting, art painting. I'm not the best painter, so this is it. And that's it. Can't do anymore. I'll be able to finish it. So December 14th is my last day. I don't have no brushes, so this guy is paper. So just use what I got. So you don't have brushes, you're in a time crunch, so you just gotta use what you got. This is it, time crunch. But it's just use a pocket napkin so that it will be as close as possible. Oh look, it looks like a fucking flower. Alright, so need brown. Don't have brown. I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. My hand is messy now. So this is the Color Me Fun Painting on Tutorial Studio. So I get 50 people to do art coloring. Pay me $50 to show you how to draw. You can donate at my art workshop, painting workshop at the church. So the church, they also have this activity. Yeah. So I'll show you the church activity later. Okay, so this is I'll show you the finish later.